All right, listen up, everybody. Yesenia and I had plans. Or no, let me say this again. I had plans for my wife and I to go to this amazing observatory, the Arecibo Observatory. It has like one of the biggest like radio telescope, I think it's called, in the world. A whole bunch of movies were filmed there, and they got so many awesome things, and I wanted to experience that and let you guys be part of it, right? But we're late on time because she's still not ready. It's 12 something in the afternoon. They close at 4, and it's 2 hours to get there. So we're not gonna be able to make it. But I got something else planned for you guys. Have you ever tried fried ice cream? Yes, you heard me right. Fried ice cream, like fried, like chicken fried ice cream, something like that. If the answer is no, then stay tuned. Let's go. Before I forget, my wife's, she's, shh, hey. Hold on. Look at her, acting all innocent, trying to get a tan in the sun. What you trying to be pretty for, huh? And now she trying to act like she don't bark. Lexi, let me wake her up. Yeah, that's you. What you doing? You want interrupting the vlog? Come on, girl. Lexi. Yeah, I gotta clean what? I gotta clean this door. Oh my God, can you guys see that? Oh Lord. Lexi, go to sleep again. Stop interrupting the vlog, okay? I'm gonna keep on pointing this finger at your face. Where you at? Where you at? Right here. Where you at? Come on. Hold on. Don't go yet. Before I forget, my wife, she's always telling me that I gotta wear something different because I'm always wearing t-shirts and like sportswear. And she loves me to wear like something nice, like a polo or something. So I went to the store today and got me this nice polo. Let me know if I should wear this more, if I shouldn't, or what else I could try to look better. Damn, look at that, brand new watch. It's not brand new, it's 2005, but it looks brand new because it's watch. I'm motoring the tires. Yeah, that's what we're gonna travel in. Ride or die, boys, ride or die. Okay, boys, so this is the fried ice cream that we're telling you about in Cremaldi's Fajardo. It's pretty good. It's actually like a waffle. Can you guys see right there? It's a waffle all around. I guess they fried the waffle with the ice cream inside of it. I got 3 toppings. I got sprinkles, I got peanuts, and I got almonds. And it was amazing. The sherry's free, guys. The sherry's free. And it was good. If you guys are in the area, I suggest that you guys stop by. What's up, boys? So we just made it to Asia Buffet here in PR. Look what we got here. So we got a marshmallow raider. Raider? I don't even know. But it shoots marshmallows up to 30 feet.
¿Y para qué fue que lo compraste?
So I basically bought this just to freaking shoot marshmallows at Yesenia. Or I don't know, we gotta have something like a challenge of marshmallows because we got a whole bunch of mini
Yo no
marshmallows.
estaba de acuerdo, pero...
Plus we got this table tennis table, obviously, but it's a mini one, right? So we're gonna be having our first tournament of this tomorrow. Let's see who wins. Leave on the comments down below who you think is gonna win on the mini table tennis challenge, I guess you call this. Who you think is gonna win? Leave it on the comments down below. Okay guys, so we just made it home. We had a great day today. We rented Jason Bourne. We're about to watch that movie. Hopefully it's a good one. Tomorrow we got this table tennis and this marshmallow gun. What the heck? ¿Qué pasó, mi amor? Adriana just peed on my wife. See, that's a mother life, I guess. So I have to let you guys go. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We already got like 9 or 10 subscribers. I know it's not a lot, but whoever you guys are, thank you. Thank you for the family supporting us. Hope you guys have a great night. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, share on Facebook, on all social media platforms, and have a great night, everybody. Peace.